Understanding Standard of Review, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an important legal concept, standard of review. This phrase might sound complex, but it's a crucial part of understanding legal arguments and decisions. Whether you're studying law, interested in legal dramas, or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will clarify what standard of review means and why it matters. The standard of review is a legal term that refers to the criteria used by appellate courts to evaluate the decisions made by lower courts. Think of it as a rulebook that higher courts use to check if the previous decisions were made correctly according to the law and the evidence presented. This standard determines how much deference the appellate court gives to the findings and conclusions of the lower court. It's like a teacher reviewing a student's homework with specific guidelines on what counts as a correct answer. Understanding the standard of review is essential because it affects the outcome of legal appeals. It determines the level of scrutiny or examination that a higher court applies to a lower court's decision. This can range from very detailed, where the appellate court closely re-examines the case, to more deferential, where the lower court's decision is largely respected. The standard of review can significantly influence whether a decision is upheld, reversed, or remanded, sent back for further proceedings. For anyone involved in legal proceedings or studying law, knowing these standards is key to predicting the possible outcomes of appeals. There are several standards of review used in legal systems, but three primary ones are: de novo review. This is the most rigorous standard. The appellate court gives no deference to the lower court's decision and re-examines the case from scratch, as if it were being heard for the first time. Substantial evidence. Under this standard, the appellate court looks for substantial evidence to support the lower court's decision. It means the decision should be based on reasonable and credible evidence. Abuse of discretion. This standard applies when reviewing decisions based on the lower court's discretion. The appellate court checks if the lower court made a decision that no reasonable person would agree with, indicating an abuse of discretion. We hope this video has shed some light on the standard of review and its importance in the legal world. It's a fundamental concept that ensures fairness and consistency in legal proceedings. Whether you're a law student, a professional, or just curious about legal terminology, understanding this concept is a step forward in mastering legal English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.